Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Iron Man VR. First, ensure your PlayStation VR headset is comfortably on and calibrated for the best visual experience. Next, grab your two PlayStation Move motion controllers. These will become Iron Man's powerful hands. To begin flying, simply point your palms downwards and press the main trigger button on each controller. This activates the repulsor jets, launching you into the sky and starting your adventure as Tony Stark. Mastering flight is key to becoming Iron Man. To steer, simply tilt your hands and body in the direction you wish to go. For consistent forward movement, keep both repulsor jets active. If you need to cover ground quickly, press the move button on either controller to engage a powerful boost, propelling you forward at high speed. Practice these maneuvers to navigate environments with precision and confidence, making you a formidable force in the skies. Combat in Iron Man VR is dynamic and engaging. To fire your primary repulsor blasts, simply point your hands at an enemy and press the trigger. For more destructive power, rotate your wrist to access secondary weapons, such as homing missiles or the powerful unibeam. Remember your defense too. Hold one hand up with the trigger pressed to deploy a protective energy shield, deflecting incoming enemy fire and keeping you safe during intense battles. To truly master Iron Man VR, focus on upgrades and strategy. As you complete missions and challenges, you will earn valuable research points. Head to the garage to spend these points, unlocking powerful new suit abilities, enhanced weapons, and defensive systems. Before each mission, take a moment to customize your loadout, selecting the best combination of gear to counter specific enemy types and achieve mission objectives with maximum efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.